Avenue. Enabling and disabling edit mode. This is a simple yet important feature for managing your courses. To make any changes to the content and appearance of your course, you must use the editing feature. To do this, one must enable the Avenue Edit mode. To enable the edit mode, at the top of the course page, click on the Edit Mode switch. Please note, the toggle moves to the right, indicating that edit mode is now enabled. In addition, editing icons now appear inside the course blocks. Here you can see the Move Block icon, and here the Edit Block icon. Editing icons also appear in the Topics area. This is an Edit Title icon, and here is the Edit More icon. This opens a drop-down menu. To disable edit mode, return to the top of the course page and click on the Edit Mode switch again. The edit mode is now disabled. The editing icons disappear in the course blocks and sections.